Okay, let me take you back to March of 2023. My last video upload was day 2, part 1 of 2 coming up. Well, part 2 never came up because I'd lost the SIM card. Well, now I found the SIM card, so that's the video you're about to watch. If you haven't seen the previous 2 episodes, they will be linked in the cards at the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Appreciate you here for the premiere, or if you're watching it afterwards. Much love.
Noise on fire.
Oh, get over here.
Very nice. Oh. I heard it, man. Oh, that's a good one.
Get off the grass.
This might have a small mouth.
I don't know.
Chunk.
Oh, that was a frogfish. Look at that.
Yeah.
Chunky. Oh, right there. There you go.
That was pretty sweet.
In there somewhere. I heard that.
Damn, that little guy freight trained it, man.
I heard that.
That was pretty good also.
I heard that.
Hell yeah. Little guy.
Yeah.
I'll take him. Oh, where are they?
That looks so good right there. There you go. There you go.
Broke the streak.
Don't mess with the Kinder.
Don't mess with the OG Vixen. OG Vixen came out to play. Want to be on camera later, little guy?
Relax. Behave yourself.
For the release video.
The vixen was just calling him.
OG. Damn it.
Uh-oh.
No, it'll come off. I'm just. Damn it. I didn't want to like disturb it too much.
That's cool looking little spot. Ooh, that's a cool one right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Back to back.
I saw the whole thing. That's a cool one, Tom. Mm-hmm. There you go.
OG Vixen back to back.
Mr. Vixen.
And that's why I didn't want to disturb the area.
Mr. Vixen.
Back to back Jack. You want to go meet a couple of your roommates? There you go. Play nice.
The flat is straight out, right here. You see that island right there? That
Yeah.
island. If I come right next to it, it goes straight to those three trees.
Beautiful.
Yep. Around that area.
what I love. That there's spots like this at Havasu. I have a sandbar on this one lake, dude. You just go over it and it's ridiculous with topwater. Thumpity thump thump. Thumpity thump thump.
Oh, right there. Oh, again.
Yeah, baby. What'd I tell you, bro?
See if,
On the flat.
On the flat.
The OG vixen.
Oh, yeah.
It's perfect. Oh, damn, you got some weight to you. That's right. Nice. For the release video.
Oh, right there. Oh, right there. Mm-hmm.
I was just about to say, dude, if I don't get bit right there, I don't know what's up with that.
Oh, that's a nice one. Mm-hmm. OG vixen. OG vixen. That OG vixen. Fatty.
Very nice.
Nice one, yeah. That was a nice one. Yeah, that was nice.
Oh, look at the wake.
Oh, right there again. Oh, yeah. That's right, Tom. That is right. That's a nice one.
That wake was awesome. Oh,
Nice.
shit.
Oh, shit. That's a nice one, Tom. Woo! She shamu that.
Yeah.
That was a good bite right there. There you go. That was a good bite. Tom.
Yeah, it was. That was epic.
Yeah.
Open your mouth, mama, so I could unhook you. Beautiful. Thank you, sir.
Little chunk. Nice little chunk right there.
It's a noise show today.
Oh, right there.
I was just gonna say, dude, there's gotta be a fish right there. You get out of the flip zone. Welcome to the flip zone. I was a little late on hitting record there. That is, I'm changing batteries. Flip zone. Welcome to the flip zone.
Ooh.
Shit. Not when you break your vixen.
Oh my God. You broke it?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I have another one.
I like the OG vixen. Remember that one?
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Rest in peace.
No!
My fingers are gonna be messed up.
No, he gets bass thumb this time.
Yeah. Better go live, right guys? Right there. This one.
You okay in there, Noy?
Yep. Right there. 2, 3. Little guy. Another one. Ah, it bit me.
He gone.
Yeah. Right there. Ah. Oh, shit. Right there. Ah.
Damn, I didn't know we loading it back much again.
I didn't know either. Right there, guys.
Yeah.
That was a fun day. Right, Tom?
It was awesome. Hella slow. It doesn't look like it, but it was slow, man.
Yeah. That's the second release right there. I mean,
Yeah.
we got him though.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got him. We got some real good footage. Mr. Tom Kinder is going to go ahead and do all the editing, I guess.
Yep.